Okay, listen. You probably think sunscreen is just that annoying white goop your mom smeared all over your face as a kid before beach day. The stuff that made you look like a confused ghost in every childhood photo. But here's the thing. Sunscreen is actually doing more than just ruining your summer selfies. It's out here being a low-key hero, silently fighting off invisible sun ninjas, trying to roast your skin like a Thanksgiving turkey. So how does it work? Like actually work? Let's break it down. Think bits style. First off, the sun. Big, fiery ball in the sky. Sounds cool until you realize it's also shooting invisible death rays at you 24/7. These rays are called UV rays ultraviolet. There are two main types we care about, UVA and UVB. One ages you, the other burns you. Like a toxic ex, UVA just hangs around, sneaking into your skin, breaking stuff and causing long-term damage. Think wrinkles, sunspots, and your skin slowly turning into an old leather couch. UVB is more upfront. It's the one that gives you that sizzling red burn. So basically, UVA ruins your future, UVB ruins your weekend. Great combo. Enter sunscreen. The MVP, the SPF-packed sidekick we all need but constantly forget in our glove compartment. Sunscreen works in one of two ways. It either absorbs the UV rays before they can mess you up, or it reflects them away like a little personal force field. Chemical sunscreens are the ones that absorb. They contain ingredients like avobenzone, oxybenzone words that sound like rejected. These chemicals soak up the UV radiation and convert it into heat, which your body then releases. So yeah, your sunscreen is basically catching sun bullets and turning them into body warmth. Science is wild. Then there's mineral sunscreen. That's the one with ingredients like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, aka the chalky stuff that makes you look like Casper. These work by sitting on your skin and literally bouncing UV rays off your face like a nope sign for the sun. It's basically a mirror, but for your cheeks. And that whole SPF number, that's not just a random flex. SPF stands for Sun Protection Factor, and it's basically a weird math equation nobody fully understands. But here's the simple version. SPF 30 means you're 30 times more protected from UVB rays than if you were wearing nothing. Called invincible, just less crispy. No, SPF 100 doesn't make you immortal. It's not sunscreen plus infinity. It just blocks a slightly higher percentage of rays. But it's not a license to fry on the beach for 9 hours straight. Now, some people are like, I don't burn, I tan, I'm good. Okay, congrats on your melanin. Tanning is literally your skin screaming, yo, I'm under attack. It's not a healthy glow, it's damage control. The color change is your body trying to shield your DNA from being scrambled by UV rays like a breakfast egg. Still feeling proud of that bronze? You're basically roasting yourself for aesthetics. But hey, you do you. Also, let's clear this up. Sunscreen is not just for the beach. If the sun is out, the UVS are out. Driving to work, walking the dog, window shopping for snacks you're not going to buy, UV rays don't care. They go through clouds, glass, and even your good intentions. So if you're like, it's cloudy, I'm safe. Nope, you're just getting sneak attacked. And here's where people get real lazy. One layer in the morning doesn't last all day. Sunscreen is not a set a tan forget it situation. You sweat, you rub your face, you do that awkward shirt tug and boom your sunscreens on your sleeve. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're swimming or turning into a sweaty mess. I don't make the rules, the sun does. It's been playing this game longer than you. But isn't sunscreen full of chemicals? Sure, some are. Water is a chemical. Oxygen's a chemical. Your body is basically a meat sack full of chemicals. So that said, if you're worried, go mineral. Or look for reef-safe options. There's literally a sunscreen for everyone: dry skin, oily skin, babies, surfers, vampires. Pick your fighter. And yes, even people with darker skin need sunscreen. The myth that melanin is full in sun armor is just that, a myth. While it gives some protection, it doesn't block everything. You're still at risk for skin cancer, sun damage, and premature aging. So yeah, the I don't need it argument doesn't hold up unless you're nocturnal and live in a cave. So why should you care? Because future, you will thank you. Sun damage builds up over time. You don't notice it until one day you wake up looking like a retired leather boot. Or worse, you get a sketchy mole that wasn't there last summer. Skin cancer isn't cute, and it doesn't care how cool you look shirtless on Instagram. Bottom line, sunscreen is not optional. It's not just for lifeguards and moms. It's for everyone who exists under the sun, which, unless you're a vampire or a Netflix binge hermit, probably includes you. Think of sunscreen like seatbelts. You don't always need it, till you really do. So, slap some on, reapply like a grown-up, and stop treating your skin like a disposable napkin. It's the only one you've got. Don't mess it up. It's it from ThinkBits. Sunscreen, use it, or lose your youthful glow to the giant fireball in the sky.